I'm Hector Espinal, Global Artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm with my beautiful model, Maddie, and I'm gonna be showing you how to get a fall smoky eye. Step one, I'm gonna start with my Pro FILT'R Amplifying Eyeshadow Primer. I'm gonna go directly onto the lids with this one. Primer is very crucial with any eyeshadow application. It will last longer, prevent from creasing. I'm gonna set that bad boy. Using my Invisimatte and my taper blending brush. Using my all-over eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dip it into Hennessy, working my way back and forth from the center into the tear duct. Using a smaller brush, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash lines with Hennessy. I don't want it to be too blown out, to really saturate that color. If you wiggle back and forth, you will get the best payoff. In case you want to go back and add more, you can. Using my taper blending brush, I'm going to dip it into Spice Strip. And with this, I'm going to diffuse all the harsh edges and blend it out. Using a smaller brush, I'm going to dip it into Spice Strip. Usually when you do a smoky eye, whatever you do on the top, mimic it in a smaller version on the lower lash lines so it can tell a cohesive story. I always use my pinky also. That's a good blending tool. So because you look, it's already like super hot. Like super, super hot. I'm gonna be using Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats. Try it with your fingers, tell me what you think about it. Isn't it cool?
Squishy.
Super bouncy gel-like formula. It's like butter. It's a cream to powder, which is lovely.
Put glitter all over me while you're at it.
I like to apply this with my fingers. You can use it many ways, with a brush, with your fingers. Because it's so bouncy and creamy, and it's still a powder formula, I can play with it more. Now I'm gonna complete my look with Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Because your eyes are so fierce, you really want to go ahead and not take away from that and just go with a neutral lip or glossy lip. Voila. Alright, so it's a wrap. If you guys love this look as much as I do, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Fenty Beauty.